Today we got a video from Bodycam Network USA, and the title of the video is "Couple Tries to Fool Police with Lies That Don't Add Up."
On March 15th, 2024 officers with the Orlando Police Department were on routine patrol of a parking garage when they spotted a couple smoking what looked like illicit substances and confronted them.
95? Yeah. All right. Put your hands behind your back, bro. Just being detained right now, all right?
What am I being detained for?
R2? Yeah. All right, put your phone on.
I'm saying, what am I being detained for?
Drug investigation. Like my partner said, if you have anything, he's going to stab me, poke me, anything like that?
No, sir. I'm saying, what have y'all right to just come up to me like this?
What?
Now, cannabis is illegal in South Florida.
Yes, sir. I know. I don't have a cannabis on me.
No?
No, sir.
Why are you lying right now?
Who's lying? You're lying. How am I lying? I have no cannabis on me.
You didn't have cannabis the whole time?
No, sir.
Should I take you and your girl to jail for lying?
I don't know what you're talking about. Okay. Like, how the hell are you lying?
Stay right here, bro.
There's a million cars parked here. What are you talking about?
I just watched you pass it to them.
Nobody.
You still,
Bro, what are you
Still lying, bro? Come on.
You going to jail, bro.
Bro, how am I going to jail?
Bro, I need you to
I did not pass nothing to nobody.
I need you to take
I
a
did not pass
little...
nothing to
watch you
nobody.
give it to us. Stop.
How did you watch me?
You acting like a little
Bro, how, there's literally a million people
Maybe,
here,
you
bro.
want to talk to me?
Can we just resolve this?
There's a million people here. How am I? How? That makes no sense.
You can't resolve this with your boyfriend lying like that, man. You know what I'm saying? You can't resolve it. Something like that isn't, it happens, you know what I mean? But police ain't gonna make it, it's not that big of a deal, right? It's a big deal, but it's not that big of a deal. Especially if you chill about it, whatever, they just gonna write you a ticket and probably, go about your business. But the thing that's gonna piss the cops off even more is him. This is what's gonna, up it.
I watched
So-
you give her a blunt.
Bro, what are you?
Just stop
Is
talking.
this your car?
Bro, what are you talking about?
Your car. Okay. So, we watch... Is this your boyfriend, husband? Boyfriend. So, boyfriend hands you a joint.
We didn't have anything. We don't know anything. What do you want to do about this?
What are you talking about? Bro, how are we going to jail? What are you arresting me for?
I'm lying over stupid shit.
How are we lying? You are literally trying to. No, you are literally trying to talk me into something. I'm not trying to.
I watched it.
Sir, if you watch you take. Honestly, sir, listen,
I'm not talking anymore. Stop talking.
If you watch me, how did you watch me? That's crazy. I literally just got here. Why do you keep searching my wallet for?
Because it's called...
What are you looking for?
It's called search incident to arrest.
Search in. That's crazy.
So my partner is placing you under arrest.
I'm under detained. You said I'm detained.
Or he just told you
Arrest. Both y'all.
What am I under arrest for?
possession of cannabis.
I don't have cannabis on me. I do not have no cannabis on me.
You
There's
dropped
no
it.
cannabis on me, sir. So I want to know, how can I go to jail for cannabis if there's no cannabis on my body? I know the rules. I know the law. I have a lawyer.
So, all
So
right.
I want you to call my lawyer.
No.
Yeah, I want to speak to my lawyer.
We're not
Okay,
asking-
I will tell him.
We're not asking you questions, so
Okay,
you
that's
don't
fine.
need a lawyer right now.
I want to speak to my lawyer. I want to speak to my lawyer right now.
So all questioning will stop.
I want to speak to my lawyer. Because there was no cannabis on my body, so I want to know, how am I being arrested for it?
That's not how that works.
That is exactly how it works. There's no cannabis on my body. That is exactly how it works.
You got the ID?
So
He has my ID.
when you have the cannabis in your hand, and
I have no cannabis in my hand. I've had no cannabis in my hand.
well, I'm not asking you a question. I'm just
Okay,
telling you what's
okay.
happening.
If you were an answer,
When you have the cannabis in your hand and then you drop it, just because it's no longer on your body does not mean
honestly,
you're not
if you see,
possessing it.
okay, listen, honestly, if he's seen, like he said, he's seen me smoking, and you've seen cannabis on my body, I'd be going to jail right now, right?
You are going to jail right now.
Okay, sir,
You're hung
okay.
up on the on my body.
These people be strung out on this weed, man. That shit go get you every time. This is it's gotta be up there. It's gotta be it's gotta be top 5 things that officers stop people for. This has to be up there. It's so high up. These people be fiended out, boy. They need it, boy. Wherever they at. get wherever they going, whether they about to go into the casino, they about to go into the movie theater, they about to go to dinner, whatever. They got a hot box in the car or do whatever, fiend out. You know, I'm just like, come on, do that shit at home, man.
Body thing.
No, what I'm saying is I did not drop it. Nobody has dropped it. You guys didn't see anybody drop it. There's been a million people here. There's been a million people here all day. I don't know, doing what? Okay, I'll stop talking. So now what are we doing now here?
Waiting for
going to jail.
Yeah, we're waiting for the car. Hey, see? Your ride's here.
All right. There was no cannabis on my body.
Your ride's here.
No, it's like, it's crazy. You're going to arrest me for something that has no cannabis on me.
What?
You're gonna take us to jail?
Yeah, I told you that already.
You're not gonna be with her. I'm not being with her.
She's been cool, bro.
Yeah.
No, he the problem.
I'm the problem. How am I the problem when I'm asking you, what are you taking me to jail for?
Where's your sandals?
It's okay. Never mind.
No, you don't have to. It's good.
I was just doing it because originally.
Fine now.
I'm gonna test it.
I got it. Let me see one of the other kits. Thanks. Positive. Blue indicating THC in the vape pen. No medical marijuana card. Wasted years but kept my soul. I always knew my home was rock and roll.
Taking the bags and then leave it.
You want
Take it.
Will you use your gel?
Take it.
Okay.
Can they come out together, right? Yeah, they go.
Ma'am, you have a medical marijuana card. Okay. Thank you. That's all I need to know. Alright, follow me.
She's good at one.
Can you just do it quick? we ask everyone this, all right, so I'm not accusing you. You don't have anything on you that the jail is going to find, even like a little, okay, even like a little nugget of weed or something, that would be a felony charge, okay? Just ask everyone. If I arrested grandma, she would have the same question.
They were both then transported to the Orange County Jail, where they were booked and charged with possession of cannabis. If you enjoy the content,
and then you got the weed smokers who's gonna be like, well, it's not that big of a deal. It's not a serious drug. It don't matter. It don't matter. Certain places you could do it, certain places you can't. Period. They know they was in the wrong. That's why they tried to hide it. That's it. That's it. That's the end of the case. You knew you was in the wrong. That's why you tried to hide it. And then you got dude, he got a lawyer, this, that, and the third. Okay, whatever. Go to court, fight it. Go ahead. No problem. I'm telling you, that shit gonna get you every time, boy. That gotta be top. It gotta be top three. Top three. Like, what? Get pulled over. Oh, I smell the odor of oh yeah. You may not even smoked in the car. You probably smoked at home, but it's on your clothes. And you think spraying your little Bath and Body Works or your little Axe spray is gonna work. That ain't how it work. That is not how it work, man. That's just grass, man. Damn. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.